What's up, kings and queens on the other side of the screen? How y'all doing? It's been a while. It's been months. I was supposed to come back in December, but a lot has happened. But a lot has happened in a good way. I'm finally happy. God is finally hearing my prayers. I accomplished a lot. And I'm not going to talk long on this video, but in my next one, I'll give y'all all the details of it. I missed y'all. I got a lot to say in June. Just know. It's going to be unforgettable. And I can't wait. Peace and much love, y'all.